place. Hey everybody, ride fast, get weird on a super hazy kind of day. Thanks to California fires. Just a bummer. Feel bad for all you California riders out there. I used to live in Southern California, so I remember wildfires being a big deal and being super annoying. And if it's this bad here, I can only imagine how terrible it is out by you guys. So thoughts and prayers for all you guys and gals out there. Yeah, so good luck with that. Doing a quick little errand run. We're not going anywhere fun. As a matter of fact, we're staying pretty much on this road the entire time. Super lame. I have to run to the Walmart to get some things. And I definitely need wheelie juice, wheelie fuel. I don't want to steal anyone's trademarked slogan for what kind of random shit they put in their bike. Fuel. Just want to put some fuel in it. Because if I keep doing that, I'm going to run out. I haven't been riding a bunch. Rode this weekend. Went up to the mountains that you can't see because it's hazy. I haven't done a whole lot of wheelies, as you can tell, because any of them that are in this video are probably going to be rusty as hell. Stop at my go-to gas station. Do this thing. And I'll be back with you in a moment. And we're back. Does Rough Country make drop kits for trucks? Because this dude's got Rough Country stickers all over his truck, but his truck's looking a little low there, bud.
Cool. Anywho.
Now let's see. So summer's coming to an end. Summer's over. Riding season, motorcycle riding season will come to a halt. And what little riding I did this year will become even littler riding, and I'll be doing snowboarding, most likely, and winter sports. Oh, this light were green, be Wheelie City, but it's not. Wheelie for these dudes, they probably love it, right? Shit, Wheelie. Sorry. Like I said, haven't been doing that in a minute. Oh, and I'm in standard mode. So touchy throttle. Well, touchy throttle, low RPM. If I were doing 45 mile an hour wheelie, probably wouldn't be so bad. Could probably do a good one here. This is the awkward part, though, in this ride, because the speed limit is 65, which I'm doing, more or less. And at this elevation, like I explained in my other video, like, the wheelies just don't happen.
Hey, great!
Oh man, they loved it. Well, now I gotta do a better one, guys.
You weren't ready.
God, I hope I don't fuck this up. They better catch up if they want to see a dank wheelie. They missed it. They so missed it. That was a great wheelie.
Ooh, that is the closest thing you've done to damage since I've gotten here.
I'll give them another one.
Neat!
You're not going to be able to hear me?
Loud!
they're not going to know that they're on my YouTube channel, which is fine, because last chick that ended up on my YouTube channel, you guys all made fun of me for being so grossly underage. This will be fun. I guess I won't be on their Snapchat because they're not Snapchatting. That's a bummer. Oh well. Give him a kiss. So there you go, guys. Another reason why you should learn wheelies. Because chicks dig wheelies.
I don't swing that way. I'm a real man.
Like I said, boring ride here. We're going to be at the Walmart in 2 seconds. Alright, guys, gals. We're back. We're done. Calling it quits. Heading back home. We'll head back, do some more wee-wees. Maybe I'll take a different route and just do a bunch of wheelies. You want to do that? Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that.
Sure.
Floundering is worse than silence.
Oh, cool. Go. No doubt.
For those of you with tunes on your FC09, I want to hear all about your third gear power wheelies. That wasn't bad, but it's windy. The wind kind of pushed me off to the side a little bit. I had to adjust mid-wheelie, and it's hard. It's hard and it's weird. That's what she said.
Oh my god, that was so funny!
Let's go slow speed. Go low and slow. So I need to get better with my foot brake, right? Any of you experienced wheeliers will notice that. I'm kind of doing all the engine braking to adjust height. Ooh, there's a lot of sand coming up. Yeah, engine braking to adjust height. I mean, the wheel is nowhere near balance point. I'm still chasing it out, right? I'm starting at like 30, 40 miles an hour and going up to like 50, 60. It's not as bad as some chasers, but it's not ideal. But if I practice a lot in a day, I can get some pretty good. Yeah, Moto Bro liked it. I love doing wheelies for other people. It gets pretty boring just practicing wheelies like that all by myself. Cheating because it was uphill, but going uphill is awesome. It's so easy to just chase them out like that. That one took a second to get up. Still chasing. We're higher, but I'm still chasing. I remember dank wheelies. Yeah, that's about all I got. I'm just going to do wheelies down this road again. And if there's any good ones, they'll make the cut. If not, this is probably the end of the video because my wheelies are sucking so bad today. But we had some fun. Thanks for joining me. Oh, snap. It's the police. Don't tell them I just did a bunch of wheelies.